Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about this error, which is the key error. So, I was having a dictionary, and in that dictionary, I had few attributes in key value format. So, let's say name and then age and city. So, this is my dictionary which I was using, and what I was trying to do is I was trying to find out something which is not there in the dictionary, right? So that is how I encountered this error, key error. So I mean, whenever you're seeing this, the first thing you should come to know is like whatever key you're trying to do, you're trying to get the value for in the dictionary is not available. If you are doing a loop or if you are taking the key as a parameter, in that scenarios you can get this most commonly. I'm just trying to demonstrate how to fix this. To fix this, what you can do is first check whether the key is available in a dictionary or not, right? So uh, just type if, then address in, and then the dict name. Okay, I mean, just say this and then okay, so nothing gets printed because the key itself is not there. You can verify the else part. Okay, that is also possible. Just say else. Okay, there was a typo. Okay, fine. Just want to close the bracket. Yeah, fail is getting printed. That is because I don't have this key in my dictionary, which is my dict, and this is how we solve this. Like, let's say you're not sure whatever input you're getting from some parameter, or it's in a loop. You're not sure if the key is there or not. So instead of failing the whole script, you can handle this using if else. Just try to check if address, I mean whatever the key in, and then my dict, and then just this colon, write the logic over there, and then also handle the failure scenario. What should you do? Should you print a message to the user like this key is not there, or you should save some value somewhere, or there's some other thing which needs to be done that goes in the else part. So this is just an explanatory video. I just wanted to explain how this issue can be resolved, and uh, it will make your script work and the script will not fail. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you and thanks for watching.